We're back. It's Tuesday. What do we got? Another T-shirt Tuesday. And this week we got...
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of T-Shirt Tuesdays. Today we got The Rag Company, a premium purveyor of plush microfiber towels. Everything you need to wash, dry, wax, quick detail, and take care of your interior. Anything that you need for microfiber for your car, The Rag Company's got it. Check them out at theragcompany.com, also on their killer podcast and YouTube channel. Do you want to get featured on T-Shirt Tuesdays? Slide on in our DMs and get your shirt on our backs.